Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, in the hustle and bustle of our modern lives, the pursuit of tranquility and inner calm has taken on an even greater importance. Today, I want to introduce you to the world of mindfulness meditation, a timeless practice rooted in various cultures and spiritual traditions that can truly transform your mental clarity and emotional well-being. So, what exactly is mindfulness? It's the art of being fully present in this very moment. It's about observing your thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations, without passing judgment or attaching yourself to them. Imagine approaching your experiences with an open and compassionate mindset. This practice empowers you to acknowledge your thoughts and feelings as they arise, without letting them dictate your actions. As a result, you gain a profound understanding of yourself and the world around you. Now, let's talk about meditation. It's a technique that trains your mind, fostering concentration and inner tranquility. Meditation is the pathway to achieving mindfulness. During meditation, you engage in focused contemplation or repetitive activities, leading your mind to a state of deep relaxation. Among various meditation methods, mindfulness meditation, inspired by ancient Buddhist practices, has gained popularity for its simplicity and effectiveness. Feeling intrigued? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide for practicing mindfulness meditation. Step 1. Find a quiet oasis. Seek out a peaceful spot where you can sit comfortably without distractions. It could be a cozy corner in your room, a serene park, or anywhere that puts you at ease. Step 2. Settle into comfort. Sit cross-legged or on a chair, with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders. Place your hands gently on your knees or in a mudra that feels right for you. Step 3. Embrace your breath. Close your eyes and bring your focus to your breath. Observe how it flows naturally, without trying to manipulate it. Step 4. Be present as thoughts drift in. Acknowledge them, without judgment, and gently return your attention to your breath. Remember, it's normal for your mind to wander. The key is to observe without reacting. Step 5. Widen your focus. Gradually expand your awareness to include sounds, bodily sensations, and emotions. Allow them to come and go, without clinging to any particular sensation. Step 6. Make it routine. Dedicate a few minutes every day to mindfulness meditation. Consistency is the key to reaping its full benefits. Now, let's explore the incredible outcomes and benefits that mindfulness meditation can bring to your life. 1. Stress relief. By promoting relaxation and calming your nervous system, mindfulness meditation can reduce the physical effects of stress. 2. Sharper focus. Regular practice often results in heightened concentration and improved cognitive abilities. 3. Emotional mastery. Mindfulness meditation nurtures emotional intelligence, helping you skillfully manage and empathize with your emotions. 4. Know yourself better. You'll gain a deeper insight into your thought patterns and behavioral tendencies. 5. Restful sleep. By calming racing thoughts, mindfulness meditation can lead to better sleep. 6. Strengthened immunity. Studies suggest that regular meditation may boost your immune system and overall health. In closing, I want to emphasize that mindfulness meditation isn't just a practice. It's a gateway to a balanced, self-aware, and harmonious life. By dedicating just a few minutes daily to cultivating mindfulness, you're embarking on a journey of self-discovery that can lead you to navigate challenges with resilience, embrace the present moment, and experience a truly enriched life. So, go ahead, take a deep breath, close your eyes, and embark on this remarkable journey of self-transformation through mindfulness meditation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.